If your home doesn't have enough space to install a full-size washing machine and you're tired of cleaning your dirty clothes by hand, a portable washing machine can solve that problem for you. Here are the top 7 recommendations to help you select what's right for you. Living in a small apartment? Can't install a full-size washing machine at home? No problem, the water spitter is the answer. This portable and efficient washing and drying combo is the perfect solution for all your hand washing and drying needs. It conveniently and quickly completes alternate washing duties without a mess. Not only that, it's super lightweight and easy to use. That means you can even go for fishing, and if your clothes get dirty, don't worry, you already have the solution. The Yirego Drumi portable washing machine is manually operated, but unlike many other models in this category, it operates via a foot pedal. As a result, you'll find it less labor-intensive than hand crank models. Simply put all the dirty clothes into it with the right amount of detergent, then close the lid, pull down the handle, and keep pedaling. In such a way, you can also dry up wet fabric, which is convenient and time-saving too. The following product on our list is a perfect companion when you're in the great outdoors and need to clean dirty garments. Its easy up and down cranking motion allows you to use it when you're on the go and don't have access to electricity. And the included drum is comparable to other non-electric models on the market, providing plenty of room for multiple garments. Besides, to dry your clean garments, simply wring out excess water and hang them up to dry naturally. Most portable washing machines are best for 1 or 2-person households. But this high-efficiency washer can accommodate a small family, and the best part is, yep, you guessed it, it's portable. Thanks to its large inner tub and powerful motor, this washing machine can handle 13.5 pounds of clothes together. And it's not limited to light clothes. With multiple washing programs, this machine can handle anything from heavy towels to light wool. Then don't forget to drain the remaining dirty water. Need a washing machine and dryer for a simple, fast and thorough wash? Meet with Easy Wash, a hand-cranking cleaning tool for your needs. Washing with Easy Wash takes 3 steps. First, you need to put your clothes into the drum, fill it with water, and then spin the handle. Then you simply switch the handle and the device into a spinning mode, and finally, you drain the water and your clothes are clean. God swear it's that simple. TM3 is a mini washing machine that can save water, time, and money on washing essential clothing and accessories at home. Also, its portability allows it to be used for traveling and outdoors as well. Designed for convenience and high performance, this washing machine enables you to control the use of energy and water and do your washing in a safe way. Besides, you can select the performance level based on the quantity of clothes to clean. The Morus Zero is an ultra-fast countertop tumble dryer that dries up clothes in just 15 minutes. Yep, you heard that right. This dryer uses heat and lowers the air pressure inside to dry up your clothing while consuming less energy. It has UV sterilization built in that effectively eliminates bacteria. As a result, it not only makes your clothes dry but also keeps them germ-free. Plus, it's so compact that you can use it on your countertop and move it around freely, as it has no pipes or other traditional installation. So these were the 7 coolest portable washing machines and dryers. Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment and share with your friends if you found this video to be helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.